Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are traveling from Mangalore to Bangalore by Vistadome coach. These Vistadome coaches were launched on 11th July by Southwestern Railways. They are providing the service from Mangalore to Bangalore. These Vistadome coaches are European style coaches equipped with the advanced features such as large glass windows. Coaches has specially designed with the air condition and claimed to be the first of its kind in Indian railways, and has large glass windows and also a observation lounge that offers the passenger a panoramic views. Experience the scenic route while you traveling through the Western Ghats. These coaches comes with a recliner 180-degree rotatable seats to ensure the people or passenger can enjoy the views from the both windows to their right and left side. Will also be equipped with the Wi-Fi based on the passenger information system. This coach has also a tray, and the tray is foldable, and you can order the food from the pantry and you can keep your food on this table and you can enjoy the food with the panoramic view.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, the entire journey was awesome and we enjoyed lot more things during this journey, and even I suggest you guys to be travel in the Vistadome coach, and the journey fare was 1500 rupees. And I thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel.